In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag company in LinkedIn post. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mention a company so your post links directly to its official page and increases visibility. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This is a quick way to get to LinkedIn if you don't already have it bookmarked. In the Google search bar, type LinkedIn. You'll see LinkedIn appear as a top result. Click the official LinkedIn website to go straight to your feed. If your homepage loads, you're in the right place. On your LinkedIn feed, look for the box that says Start a Post. Click it to open the editor. This is where you'll write your message and add your company tag. You can type your post first or add the tag as you go. Either way works. To tag a company, type the @ symbol, the @ key, right in the text area. As soon as you type @, LinkedIn will start showing suggestions underneath based on what you type next. This is LinkedIn's way of helping you find the exact page you want to mention. To narrow the list, begin typing the company's name immediately after the @ or no spaces. For example, @ followed by the first few letters will quickly filter to the right brand. Watch the suggestion list carefully. You're looking for the official company page, which usually shows a logo and the word company beneath the name. If you see multiple results with similar names, choose the one that clearly matches the brand you intend to mention. If you don't see it at first, keep typing more of the name to refine the results. If you click the wrong one, just backspace to remove the mention and try again. Once you spot the correct company, click it in the suggestion list. You'll see the company name appear in your post as a highlighted, clickable mention. That confirms the tag is attached correctly. Continue writing the rest of your message, and make sure your sentence reads naturally around the tag. A quick read-through helps ensure everything flows and there aren't extra spaces or punctuation issues around the mention. When you're happy with your post and the company tag looks correct, click Post. Your update will publish to your network, and the company mention will link directly to that company's LinkedIn page. This simple step can boost engagement, give proper credit, and help your post reach the right audience. That's all there is to it. Type @, pick the right company from the suggestions, and post with confidence.